अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चॉइस न्यूज़ खुसूसी रिपोर्ट में आपका खैर मकदम है। आप हैं एडिटर इन चीफ चॉइस न्यूज़ मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर के साथ। पेश खिदमत है ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट। नाजरीन, अग्रवाल शिक्षा समिति हैदराबाद की जानिब से इस तालीमी समिति के 100 साल पूरे होने पर एक साइंसी नुमाइश का एहतमाम उससे मुल्हिक़ा तालीमी इदारे NB साइंस कॉलेज चार कमान हैदराबाद में किया गया, जिनमें शहर से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले तकरीबन 10 से ज़ायद मुख्तलिफ़ तालीमी इदारों के तलबा और तालिबात ने हिस्सा लेते हुए मुनफरद अंदाज में अपने अपने साइंसी मॉडल्स और तजुर्बात पेश किए। राधे कृष्णा वीमेंस डिग्री कॉलेज, DB गर्ल्स जूनियर कॉलेज, अग्रवाल जूनियर कॉलेज, अग्रवाल बॉयज़ हाई स्कूल, अग्रवाल गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल व दीगर स्कूल व कॉलेजेस के तलबा व तालिबात ने इस साइंसी नुमाइश का मुशाहिदा किया, जबकि MS जूनियर कॉलेज फॉर गर्ल्स शालीबंडा, अग्रवाल बॉयज़ जूनियर कॉलेज और NB साइंस कॉलेज के तलबा व तालिबात ने इस साइंसी नुमाइश में हिस्सा लेते हुए शानदार मॉडल्स पेश किए, जिसके लिए उन्हें समिति की जानिब से अवार्ड्स और मोमेंटोस पेश किए गए। इस मौके पर श्री प्रमोद कुमार केडिया चेयरमैन समिति ने अपने सदारती खिताब में जहां समिति के अगराज़ व मक़ासिद बयान किए, वहीं इस साइंसी नुमाइश के मुशाहिदे के बाद तलबा व तालिबात की सलाहियतों की सताइश की। बिलखुसूस ख़वातीन व तालिबात की तालीमी व दीगर शुबेजात में तरक्की की मिसाल देते हुए श्री प्रमोद कुमार केडिया ने हाल ही में हिंदुस्तानी वीमेन क्रिकेट टीम की कामयाबी की मिसाल पेश करते हुए इस कामयाबी पर हिंदुस्तानी वीमेन क्रिकेट टीम को मुबारकबाद पेश की और तालिबात के लिए इस कामयाबी को एक इंस्पिरेशन करार दिया। अग्रवाल शिक्षा समिति के एजाज़ी सेक्रेटरी श्री CA नवीन कुमार अग्रवाल ने इस मौके पर खिताब करते हुए समिति के 100 साल मुकम्मल होने और इससे मुल्हिक़ा तमाम तालीमी इदारों की कारकर्दगी से मुताल्लिक़ तफसीली जानकारी दी और इस नुमाइश में हिस्सा लेने वाले और मुशाहिदा करने वाले तमाम तलबा व तालिबात को मुबारकबाद पेश की। इस मौके पर लेक्चरर इंग्लिश श्रीमती G कविता ने तमाम मेहमानों का इस्तकबाल किया, जबकि कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर G बाबूराव ने खैर मक़दमी खिताब किया। सदर मोहम्मद अकबर ने तमाम को गुलदस्ते पेश किए। श्री राजेश कुमार नरीदी को करस्पॉन्डेंट ने भी खिताब किया। तमाम कामयाब तलबा व तालिबात में इनामात की तक़सीम के बाद लेक्चरर विनीता ने शुक्रिया अदा किया। कौमी तराने के बाद इस 2 रोज़ा साइंसी नुमाइश का इख्तिताम अमल में आया। पेशे सिलसिले में हमारे नुमाइंदे मीर हैदर अली की ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
We are using according to that. It is very hard to according to our traditional method. So it provides a method.
Available junior college for one is MSc first year. For basic maths. First year we have to find this concept of we have to 5 square 2 plus 1 3 plus 6 25 and then 5 square 25 4 plus 1 5 5 4 5 and 20 marks.
Civil conductivity and insulator. Conductor is the material that flow current and heat. Insulator also material that do not electron movements are not part. In pencil they are part. But in a rubber
It is not there.
in copper wire electron movements are.
Very nice.
Insulator
we have removed our smoke from water, so we can work water.
And here is the college reach oxygen. There is collective made of any organism. Mainly this is like bringing all treatment. And bringing is the large
This is a home to a variety of special characters, which is like dolphins, bluefins, NASA, dolphins, turtles. Here, the left is about 200 meters, 1,000 feet. Then we have 10,000 to 4,000 feet. But Iceland, it is also yes.
Today I'm going to talk about one of the most fascinating topics, the agriculture. So the organisms in the agriculture, mitochondria, the nucleus, other cell organelles, and this is the Golgi apparatus, and the contributes the materials and nutrients to all the
Metallic waste is old cans, wires, batteries, and other household utensils. When these wastes are not disposed properly, it causes different types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution, which harms animals, plants, aquatic life, and also species. So now my friend is going to talk about soil pollution.
Maybe about soil pollution. When a metallic waste gets soil, affect the pH nutrition and make the soil nutrient content. Plants growing in contaminated soil absorb these metals and
Here we have top of water the sprout. As you can see, the seed germination have been cut very nicely in this model. Whereas the metallic automatically like
aim of a pottery is to grow plants without tissue paper, covered with tissue paper for 2 to 3 days until the sprout occurs. As the sprout occurs, I gently remove the tissue paper, covered tissue paper from it and kept it in light space. Direct sunlight will not come, as direct sunlight may causes overdryness of our microgreens.
अच्छा AI
कार चल रही सर जैसे जैसे स्टेज
समझ गया जोरदार है, चल। आजम चलिए
Celebrate the spirit of science, creativity and innovation that our students have showcased over the past 2 days. To begin this wonderful afternoon, let me greet the dignitaries on the dais with a big round of applause.
Respected both respected sir, Shri Pramod Kumar Kedia sir, our honorary secretary, Shri Navin Kumar Agarwal sir, our academic director, Dr. Sarvachan Madam, our Joint Academic Director, Dr. Rajesh Agarwal sir, respected heads of the other sister institutions, teachers, especially students, participants. I welcome you all to this InnoFest 2025. I welcome outside students and teachers to this legendary organization Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. Agarwal Shiksha Samiti is centenary organization. Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, to say in local language Telugu, Andariwala Shiksha Samiti. It is Andariwala Shiksha Samiti because here this is secular organization and secure organization. There is no question of any. I welcome you all to our legendary institution Agarwal Health Science College. Health Science College is the Ranadram Bhagavanda Science College. This is the Diamond Jubilee College. It was established in the year 1954. We have two other very Silver Jubilee Department, MCA Silver Jubilee Department. So to say about Health Science College, yesterday also I have explained, Health Science College offering UG courses and PG courses. In undergraduate courses, we are offering 2 bucket courses, 2 buckets. Spread by White Revolution. Blue Revolution is the production of aquaculture products like fisheries. White Revolution is now.
Sir, look here.
Thank you, sir. I request our sir, Principal Sir, Sorry Madam and Rajesh Sir to please felicitate our Honorary Secretary Sir, Sri C.A. Naveen Kumar Agaru.
Sir, look here.
President sir, morning KD, Dr. Rajesh Agarwal, our principal of LB Science College, Dr. Babu Rao, heads of the institution, the lecturers of the visiting institutions and the students of the institutions who have participated in MS College and other colleges who have came and participated in today's program. So we welcome you all to Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. Here at Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, as our Babu Rao Sahab was telling, we are 100-year-old institution. Among us, we are all students of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. We are KG to PG. We impart education from KG to PG, from kindergarten to post-graduation. And for science field, he has given all the information we are imparting. Many needs, all the courses we are giving, and other commerce field also we are giving. And in Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, all infrastructure facilities, we are having such a big campus, and we are giving all the facilities. And today, especially when I was going through all the preparations done by the student, I went into 90s, 80s and 90s when we were the students, and we used to go to the exhibition. We went into the 80s and 90s memories. It was all like that. I was a student of Nazar school, so I went especially into the memories of 80s and 90s, how it used to be. So it was, and the preparation done by the students was great. And they have explained it very nicely, and the expressions and the way our President sir was listening to each and every student, and the cleanliness what he was showing. Even Kavita madam was saying, leave it, but he was very keen to listen to each and every. It shows how much efforts were put in by all the students, and we want to see all the faculty members, students, and everyone who has taken part in this event, and we want to see many such events going forward. And the management of the Shiksha Samiti is always there to support you people to do all these things. And I will not take much of the time. Thank you very much.
Honor to invite the President of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, Shri Pramod Kumar Kedia ji, to deliver the presidential address. Sir, आपकी प्रेरणादायक बातें हमारे लिए मार्गदर्शन का कार्य करेंगी. Please, sir.
And dignitaries, the students of the dais. We at Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, having 16 institutions, as our Secretary Sahab has said, we are 100 years old. In 1925 we began with a girl school, Agarwal Balika School, and since then we have been continuing, particularly in the old city. Our Agarwal Shiksha Samiti is dedicated towards education, particularly for the girls' education. Today I have seen this exhibition and various innovative products. And in that the participation of girls is really overwhelming, excellent, and you have surpassed the students. हमारी महिलाओं ने संडे ही वर्ल्ड कप क्रिकेट में जीता, सब लोगों ने देखा था. So when the girls and the women get an opportunity, definitely they will do the best. World Cup is not a joke, and they have achieved this distinction after a lapse of 52 years. Their confidence and capability was really impeccable, and they have succeeded, and every Indian is proud of their achievement. Similarly, today when I have seen the various innovative AI products and the explanation from the students was really very nice. I was unable to understand the technology, the various words, and those technical words were really, at our time, these things were not happened. We were only bookish, and we have only completed our course up to become, then we have completed LLB and then profession. By profession I am an advocate having 43 years practice. But during our days, these facilities were not there. So I request our faculty and the faculties which have come from various other institutions, I really welcome, appreciate the way you have encouraged the students to do, because the caliber and the talent in our students in India is having ample. But the thing is that you have to identify the talent, utilize it, provide them innovative skills, and also to provide them resources, they can do wonders. Today's exhibition which is being arranged at our institution is really very excellent. I congratulate our Dr. Sahab and all the faculties who have involved, made efforts, because for any such program which is to be conducted with lots of hard work, devotion, everything is required. In that, the whole team from NP Science College has devoted their time, and once again, all the participants, particularly the girl students, who have teaching and made the exhibition a very successful. Why? Because in such exhibitions, when the students of various colleges and our students, when they interact, they definitely introspect and they also get enriched with the innovative skills of other colleges. So this was a very nice program. I became the part of it. Thank you.
College Charminar Girls Branch. Good afternoon, everyone. The management of NP Science, thank you so much for giving a great platform to our students. This is just not a competition between the students. Actually, the science fair is a criteria to build inner skills, presentation, communication skills, and upcoming challenges, unexpected challenges for the innovative ideas created by the students. So thank you so much, the management of NP Science. Thank you, sir, and special thanks to the Kavita madam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Prize distribution ceremony is more than an event because it recognizes the hard work and dedication of the student achievements. Congratulating all the participants, and now I am going to announce the prizes. I request all the dignitaries, please step up to give the prizes. Model number 1, Tapasam Fatima and team.
Bringing proud to honor.
I request all of you, please encourage the students. Take a round of applause. Abhiha Fatima and team. Model number 4.
Sir, look here, sir.
Congratulations.
Aarti Tangra, number 2 from MS College.
Congratulations.
To model number 9, Sana Fatima. From MS College.
As ready, sir? As ready?
Congratulations.
Sir, look here, sir. मैडम अभी अंत साथ में लेगा मैडम सर क्लोज मैडम अभी आ जाइए मैम इधर देखिए सर्टिफिकेट दे दो भैया
Akbar, Razan, Varsha, continuous support by these students. Please do support them with your class, appreciation. But principal of SP Science College, please accept our token of love. Very nice, ma'am. And I request Mahesh sir, lecturer in mathematics, please welcome. Miss Ujjwala from Computer Studies. I call upon Miss Vinita from Nutrition. I request Nayar Rajan sir. Puttu. Happy congratulations.
सर मैम
Arimani Vaidehi, accountant who have helped a lot in this regard. Teamwork, guidance and dedication. To express our heartfelt gratitude, I now invite Dr. Saroj Jain, Academic Director of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, to propose vote of thanks. And the message to boost our confidence.
I request you all to please take the seat. Yes. Please take the seat. I will not take more than half a minute or maximum 1 minute. Don't hesitate, because it is their efforts which has resulted in such a nice way. I congratulate the participants of each college who has participated and won the prizes, and those who have not won also, because you too have worked hard and success is not very far, you will definitely get it. I congratulate the principal in the Science College. I congratulate Kavita Madam and all the faculty members who have worked very hard to make this event a successful one. Once again, I congratulate you all. See, we have recollected, as our secretary sir has told, we have gone back to our school days. These things were not there. But you know, we used to see the magic. Even now we used to see the magic. But the science has proven the facts. It brings the facts in front of us. Now you can grow the trees in water also without soil, which was not possible in our days. We never thought about it. Now it is done. So innovation, the magic, maths, the physical sciences, and this everything, every bit of it, whether it's a big exhibit or a small one, it has encouraged, enlightened us, and thank you once again to all of you. And next time we'll make it a very big event. Thank you so much.
Request Ms. Vinita to propose vote of thanks.
And on this memorable occasion, first and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Pramod Kumar Kedia ji, President of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, for taking time out of your busy schedule to grace this event. And a special word of appreciation to our Honorable Secretary Sir, Sri C.A. Naveen Kumar Agarwal ji, for their continuous encouragement and guidance in Organized Director Dr. Saroj Jain ji, for their inspiring messages and valuable presence that added grace to this occasion. I also express my deep gratitude to our Joint Academic Director Dr. Ragesh Agarwal ji for their inspiring messages and valuable presence. My sincere thanks to our Principal Dr. G. Babu Rao ji for his constant motivation and leadership that made this event possible. Sir, your support and enthusiasm have been the driving force behind the members, organizing committee and supporting staff. Thank you for your teamwork and dedication in making today's event a grand success. My sincere thanks to our students and and participants, your enthusiasm, innovation and creativity have truly made InnoFest 2025 a celebration of science and imagination. Thank you all once again.
Yes, what is it? Smile.
3, 2, 1, smile.
Smile, please, everyone. One more. Wait. ले लो भैया. सर इधर देखिए. Yes. Smile, sir. Madam, smile. Once again. Yes, sir. One more.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Babu Rao, Principal of the NB Science College. So we have conducted 2-day science fair program here. We have conducted science fair competitions also for various colleges. Students from various colleges visited our colleges, shown their exhibits, participated in our program, they made it success. Our Agarwal Shiksha Samiti is oldest organization, centenary organization. It is established in the year 100 years ago. This is a centenary organization. Regarding our NB Science College, this was established in the year 1954. This is the Diamond Jubilee College. So for this program, adjacent colleges, another nearby colleges, students participated actively. I am really appreciating students for participating. I am more thankful to our management. I am more thankful to our President Sir Sri Pramod Kumar Kedia for his cooperation. I am more thankful to our Honorary Secretary Sri C.A. Naveen Kumar Agarwal Sir. I am more thankful to Dr. Saroj Jain Madam, our Academic Director. I am more grateful to our Joint Academic Director Sri Rajesh Agarwal Sir. I am more grateful to our all staff members and students for encouraging this successful program. Thank you once.
सभी को नमस्कार. यह InnoFest 2025 वेयर थिंकिंग मिट्स रियलिटी यह कंपटीशन हम लोग 2 दिन के लिए कंडक्ट करे. आज हमारा वैल्यूडिक्टरी प्रोग्राम हुआ था जिसमें बच्चों ने बहुत सारे साइंस एग्जिबिट्स प्रोड्यूस करे. ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन थे. इनके बेहतरीन एग्जिबिट्स इतने अच्छे थे कि लोग देखते ही रह गए और हम इनके लिए बहुत धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करते हैं जिन बच्चों की वजह से हम भी अपने बचपन में चले गए थे आज. और आज हम इनको प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देकर इनको बहुत खुश कर चुके.
कितने स्कूल के बच्चे इसमें हिस्सा लिए बच्चियां में?
यहाँ पर 8 से 10 इंस्टीट्यूशंस पार्टिसिपेट करे जिसमें बहुत सारे एग्जिबिट्स आए. यहाँ पर 8 से 10 इंस्टीट्यूशंस पार्टिसिपेट करे जिसमें बहुत सारे एग्जिबिट्स आए. हम लोगों को इनको प्राइजेस देने में इतनी मुश्किल हुई कि इनके एग्जिबिट्स इतने बेहतरीन थे कि किसको कौन सा प्राइज देना हमको समझ में ही नहीं आया.
इस खुसूसी रिपोर्ट को हमारे नुमाइंदे मीर हैदर अली ने आप तक पहुंचाया. अब चॉइस न्यूज़ चीफ एडिटर मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर को इजाज़त दीजिए.